Hi everyone, my name is Soundarya V. Currently studying MBA at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to present the topic that is structure of business communication. Meaning of business communication. It is the exchange of information and ideas within the business. It's it's vital for effective operation and growth, encompassing various forms like emails, reports, meetings, and digital media. It includes both internal and external communication, internal communication among team members, and external communication with clients and stakeholders. Structure of business communication. Business communication it is divided into two types: formal communication, informal communication. Formal communication, this type is official and follows a chain of command. It includes memos, reports, and other documents. The formal communication structure is the hierarchical structure that determines how information flows within the organization. Formal structure follows a specific chain of command and it is usually written or documented. There are several types of formal communication, which are follows: downward communication. Downward communication is when the information passes from the management to the subordinate level. This is most common form of formal communication, where the communication flows downward, either from people from people occupying top position in the organization to the people at lower levels. Reports, emails, letters are the commonly used communication tools. Upward communication, it is when the message passes from the subordinate to the management level. Here, the communication flows upward, either from the subordinate to the managers in the form of report, suggestion, instructions, or request. Horizontal communication, it means when the co-workers with different areas of responsibilities but at the same level in the organization communicate with each other. The communication between the managers of a different department, such as marketing, finance and accounting, sales, production, are the best example of horizontal communication. Informal communication, this type is unofficial and does not follow a chain of command. It refers to the way of information that is exchanged among the employees without following the chain of command or formal channel of communication. This can be verbal or non-verbal and can take place during informal meetings, coffee breaks, or social events. Informal communication help in building the relationship and trust among the employees. Some of the major type of informal communication are single strand communication. In single chain of communication, information transmit from one person to another person in a single sequence. That is, from person A talks to person B, and person B talks to person C, and person C talks to person D. Gossip chain. In gossip chain of communication, one employee shares the information with all the individuals in the group. Roundtable conversation and group discussion are the best example of gossip chain communication. Probability chain. In probability chain, a specific person serves as the information source who chooses someone at random from the network to share the information. Cluster chain. In cluster chain of communication, one person communicate with a selected group of individual and that individual shares the information with different groups. Centralized communication. In centralized communication structure, all the information flows through a central authority and it is often used in large organization where there is a need for coordination and control. Decentralized communication. In decentralized communication structure, the information flows freely between different department or unit. This is often used in smaller organization where there is a need for flexibility and autonomy. Network communication. In network communication refers to the way of information that flows between different units and departments through a network. This is often used in organizations that have multiple locations or branches. Conclusion: the communication structure in an organization can affect its culture, values, and performance. A good communication structure should be clear and should be clarity, and it should have some clarity and effective and efficiently. It should encourages feedback, dialogue, and collaboration among employees. Communication structure also should provide opportunities for employees to learn and develop their communication skills. So it is essential for the success of any business. Communication structure helps to build trust among employees, and it improves productivity and fosters a positive work environment. Thank you. Please like, share, and comment.